Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Weroam token. Now the Weroam token is from Metablox, and this token here is getting at least 2 very big central exchange listings coming soon. We're going to go over the information on the Weroam token, talk about how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So their webpage is weroam.xyz. Over there you can create an account, you can log in, you can download their app from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. They have contact information, their mission, vision, values, white paper, blog, news, learning, frequently asked questions, product section. You can check out the Wi-Fi router miner, the access point, the Weroam Explorer, Weroam Loan, Weroam Discovery, Weroam Growth, Weroam eSIM, and Weroam app. And then there's the home section. So I'm going to put their Twitter also in the corner of the screen here, so you guys can easily find this project here at WeRoamXYZ. Weroam by Metablox. Gold verified checkmark. 2,809 posts, 403,400 followers. Huge project here. It says a DPIN open wireless network engaging open roaming and eSIM technologies to create a free, secure, and seamless decentralized global network. So I just saw 2 announcements about their TGE here, their first listings. So at Kucoin COM, so the Kucoin exchange's Twitter, just posted, get ready, the Weroam token will be in the spot trading section and will be launching soon. Deposits and withdrawals will be available via the Solana chain. So it says spot trading coming soon on Kucoin. And then we have Bybit. I mean, there's some issues recently with Bybit, so who knows what you think about Bybit after that. But Bybit just announced at Bybit_official, the Weroam token is coming soon to the Bybit spot trading platform. Deposits and withdrawals will be available via the Solana network. Stay tuned for the grand prize pool. So they don't give exact dates and times yet. But if you do follow this Twitter right here at WeRoamXYZ, they're going to announce when listings will be on, I'm sure, all sorts of different exchanges. They have a Hotcoin announcement here, so maybe that's another exchange that they're going to have. I'm sure there's going to be tons of them, maybe like Gate or MEXC Global or WEEX. If you guys haven't tried WEEX yet, there is a referral code for WEEX. But yeah, there's a whole section here about the TGE. It says road to the TGE and beyond. Are you ready to explore? So yeah, just follow this Twitter here. They're going to tell you dates and times of when you'll be able to get this token. In the meantime, there's contests going on their Twitter here. They're doing a $100,000 Weroam token giveaway, and that's a community bounty program you can check out on the Twitter there. But yeah, roam the world, connect the people, revolutionizing global connectivity by leveraging DPIN, open roaming, and user incentives. So it says explore Weroam, upgrade your digital experience with the Weroam ecosystem, where every feature holds the promise of new experiences and connections. It says add Wi-Fi to earn. Earn rewards by adding Wi-Fi spots to the Roam network in your area. Your participation in expanding the network is incentivized, transforming each new spot into a rewarding experience. They also have the Roam Miner, offering crypto mining capabilities and enterprise-level connection security. Roam Miner provides a comprehensive solution to boost your rewards while enjoying uninterrupted connectivity. And Roam Tokens. Start your crypto journey today by building your Roam Points portfolio, paving the opportunity to stake tokens and earn Roam tokens. And each one of these things that I'm talking about, you can read way more in depth if you like in all sorts of different sections on their webpage, weroam.xyz. Now they also have check-in rewards, so check in daily to effortlessly accumulate Roam points, enhancing your rewards with each interaction. The underlying technology, Roam's underlying technology consists of open roaming protocols and enterprise-grade components, created to deliver exceptional performance, security, and seamless interaction across our system. They have open roaming. Users roam seamlessly between Roam Wi-Fi access points hosted by different operators and organizations without even facing a login screen after initial connection. DID plus VC protocol. Roam's on-chain user authentication for Wi-Fi connects employees' decentralized identifiers, DIDs, and verifiable credentials, VCs, enabling new mining opportunities as well as privacy protection. And Wi-Fi Enterprise. So enterprise level public Wi-Fi is finally here. Roam Wi-Fi delivers levels of security and performance typically offered only by large corporate environments. The power of the Roam network, standing at the forefront of decentralized Wi-Fi. Roam is changing the way people connect and setting a new standard of reliable and efficient Wi-Fi. Download Roam now and start a journey filled with millions of free Wi-Fi access points and exclusive rewards. So they have all the numbers on their page. They have all the partners on their page. Community channels. You can join Instagram, Medium, Telegram, Discord, Twitter. You can download the application, and then you can check out all sorts of links at weroam.xyz. So check out Roam, being listed soon. Bybit, Kucoin, all sorts of different exchanges will be popping up here as it gets closer to the TGE. Let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.